Welcome to Maths and Physics class. We want to look at products of signs. By sign, what do we mean? We mean the value or what? The symbol that is placed before a number. That is sign. We have two types of sign. Basically, we have the positive and the negative. The positive is with sign plus and the negative is minus. When a number is positive, it can be written just ordinarily. This 5 indicates that it is positive 5 or plus 5. But if it is minus, there is need for you to put the sign at the back. I will repeat that. When a number is standing without any sign before it, it means it is positive. But if it is a negative number, there will be need for you to have that negative sign behind it. It is very necessary for you to know or differentiate it from a positive number. So basically we have two signs, positive and negative. Positive is the plus sign and negative is the minus sign. If it is plus, there's no need for you to write. If you write it, no problem. But if you see a number that is standing on its own without any sign before it, it means that that number is positive. But if it is negative, there is need for you to write it. It is very, very necessary because minus 5 is not the same thing. Minus 5 is not equal to plus 5. It is not. So it is necessary for us to write the sign once it is negative. Plus sign do not really have issues whether written or not written. So let us look at now the product of signs. We're going to look at the product of signs. Let us see how signs are affected. Their results are affected when we multiply the same sign or different signs. Now let us first of all look at the same signs. By the same signs we mean if you have plus multiplying plus. Plus is multiplying plus. That is a positive number multiplying a positive number. The answer is positive. The answer will be positive. That is, the result will be positive. Take for instance, if I have 5 times 3, these are positive numbers. The answer is also positive, it becomes 15. So I told you, if you do not have sign before them, it means that they are positive. If I also have 2 times 4, these are positive numbers, it becomes 8. That is what we are saying. You see that the same signs is what? Positive. That is plus plus. So let us also have now minus times minus. What is the sign of the result? It is also plus. So minus multiplying minus is plus. The result is plus or positive. In this case, we are saying, for instance, we have minus 5 times minus 3. Minus times minus is plus. Then 5 times 3 is 15. You can actually write this as ordinary 15 without the plus sign. So it's still the same. So when you have two numbers that are having negative multiplying each other, it becomes positive. So if we also have another, say for instance, minus 1 times minus 4. Minus 1 times minus 4 becomes plus. 4 times 1 becomes 4. So minus 1 times minus 4 is equal to plus 4. So what have we deduced from this? What we have deduced is that when signs are the same signs, when they multiply, they become positive. When the same signs multiply, they become positive. So the same sign, plus plus, positive, minus minus, positive. That is when they are multiplying each other. Let us take numerical value or maybe an algebraic expression. Take for instance, I have 2x minus 2x times minus 2. Minus 2x times minus 2 becomes minus times minus becomes plus. 2 times 2 becomes 4. Then we have x. So minus 2x times minus 2 becomes plus 4x. So if I have minus y times minus 3, it becomes minus times minus becomes plus. 3 times y becomes 3y. So minus y times minus 3 becomes plus 3y. So you see the manipulation. If we also have, say, 2t times 4, this is positive. it becomes what? Plus 8t. If I also have 3t times 6, it becomes 3 times 6, 18t. So 3t times 6 becomes 18t. 2t times 4 becomes 8t. Minus y times minus 3 becomes plus 3y. Minus 2s times minus 2 becomes plus 2. What is happening in this place? So let me put the sign. I told you, if you put the sign on, it doesn't really matter if it has to do with positive. But if it is negative, you must put the sign. So you see, the same sign becomes positive. The same signs becomes positive. The same plus becomes positive. Plus becomes positive. So the same signs, when you multiply them, the result is always positive. Whether it is minus, plus, the result is always positive. So have that in mind, so that when you are working on algebraic expression or ordinary numbers, you will be able to know what the result will be, the sign especially of the result, whether it's positive or negative when you are dealing with product, which is multiplication. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment on our videos, continue to share these videos, continue to follow us on our pages, our TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. If you do this, you get videos once they are uploaded. Thank you for watching.